Invertebrates. Invertebrates are animals that do not have a backbone or vertebral column. They are the most diverse group of animals and make up about 97% of all animal species. Invertebrates are found in almost every habitat on Earth, from the deepest oceans to the highest mountains. They are classified into different groups based on their body structure and habits. These groups are called phyla, singular phylum. The major phyla of invertebrates are Porifera, Coelenterata or Cnidaria, Platyhelminthes, Nematoda or Aschelminthes, Annelida, Arthropoda, Mollusca, Echinodermata. Phylum Porifera, sponges. Porifera are also known as sponges. They are a group of simple multicellular animals. The name Porifera is derived from the Latin words porus, pore and fur bearing, indicating the porous nature of these animals. Characteristics of Porifera. Habitat: mostly found in seawater, with some species in freshwater. Simplicity: they are the simplest of all multicellular animals. Shape: they can be cylindrical, vase-like, or irregular in shape. Mobility: Porifera are sessile, meaning they do not move and are attached to the bottom of a pond or sea. Body structure: numerous small pores cover their bodies, allowing water carrying oxygen and food to enter the body cavity. There is a single large pore at the top from which water exits. They lack digestive, circulatory, and nervous systems. Examples: Cycon and Spongia. Did you know? Sponges can filter large volumes of water, which helps clean the aquatic environment. Phylum Coelenterata or Cnidaria, hollow animals. Coelenterates or cnidarians are simple aquatic animals known for their hollow tube-like bodies. The term Coelenterata comes from the Greek words koilos, hollow, and enteros, gut. Characteristics of Coelenterata. Habitat: predominantly found in seawater, with very few species in freshwater. Body structure: hollow tube-like body with a single opening called the mouth. The mouth is surrounded by tentacles equipped with stinging cells called cnidoblasts, used for capturing prey. Radially symmetrical, meaning their body can be divided into two identical halves along any plane passing through the central point. Mobility: they can either float in water or attach themselves to underwater rocks. Examples: Hydra jellyfish, sea anemone. Phylum Platyhelminthes, flatworms. Flatworms or Platyhelminthes are simple soft-bodied animals without a body cavity. The term Platyhelminthes comes from the Greek words platy, flat, and helminthes, worm. Characteristics of Platyhelminthes. Habitat: most are parasitic, living inside or on other animals, though some are free-living in marine or freshwater environments. Body structure: small, soft, flattened, and unsegmented bodies. Bilaterally symmetrical, meaning their body can be divided into two equal halves along one plane. Only one body opening for both intake of food and expulsion of waste. Equipped with hooks and suckers to attach to hosts. Examples: tapeworms, planaria, liver fluke. Phylum Nematoda or Nematelminthes, roundworms. Phylum Nematoda, also known as Nematelminthes or Aschelminthes, comprises roundworms that are thread-like in appearance. The term Nematelminthes comes from the Greek words nematos, thread, and helminthes, worm. Characteristics of roundworms. Habitat: roundworms, also known as wireworms, are found in freshwater, seawater, and soil. They can also exist as parasites in plants and animals. Body structure: they have a soft cylindrical, unsegmented body without a body cavity. The body is bilaterally symmetrical, meaning it can be divided into two equal halves along one plane. They have a mouth at one end through which food is ingested and an animals at the other end for waste expulsion. Examples: ascaris, hookworm, pinworm, eelworm. Phylum Annelida, segmented worms. Phylum Annelida consists of segmented worms, characterized by their segmented bodies that resemble a series of rings, annelos, meaning little ring, and eidos, meaning shape. Characteristics of Annelida. Body structure. Annelida have a soft cylindrical, bilaterally symmetrical body. Their body is divided into segments that aid in movement. They have a body cavity, known as the coelom. Annelida possess a mouth and an anus with a well-developed digestive system. They have specialized organs for excretion called nephridia. Habitat found in both freshwater and seawater. Examples: earthworms, leeches. Phylum Arthropoda, animals with jointed legs. Phylum Arthropoda includes animals with jointed legs, such as insects, spiders, and crustaceans. The name Arthropoda is derived from Greek with arthro meaning joint and podos meaning foot, reflecting their jointed appendages. Characteristics of Arthropoda. Body structure. Arthropods have a segmented, bilaterally symmetrical body with jointed appendages, or limbs. Most arthropods have 3 pairs of legs. Their body is divided into 3 regions: head, thorax, and abdomen. The body is covered by a hard outer covering called an exoskeleton. Habitat found almost everywhere. Examples: spider, crab, scorpion, ant, mosquito, honeybee, wasp, beetle, butterfly. Arthropods are further classified into 4 subgroups or classes: arachnida, scorpions, and spiders; crustacea, lobsters and shrimps; myriapods, centipedes and millipedes; and insects, ants, beetles, honeybees, and butterflies. Phylum Mollusca, animals with shells and soft bodies. Phylum Mollusca comprises animals with soft bodies, often protected by a hard shell. The term mollusca comes from the Latin word molluscus, meaning thin-shelled, referring to their delicate bodies, often encased in shells. Characteristics of mollusca. Body structure. Mollusks have a soft, unsegmented body, protected by one or more hard shells. They have a soft muscular foot, which helps in locomotion. Habitat found in freshwater, seawater, and on land. Examples: snail, slug, mussel, oyster, cuttlefish, octopus. Phylum Echinodermata, animals with spiny skin. Phylum Echinodermata includes marine animals characterized by their spiny skin. The name Echinodermata comes from the Greek words echinos, meaning sea urchin, and derma, meaning skin, reflecting their distinctive spiny texture. Characteristics of Echinodermata. Habitat. This phylum consists exclusively of marine animals. Body structure. Echinodermata have sharp spines all over their bodies. They are radially symmetrical, meaning their body can be divided into similar halves along multiple planes. They have a mouth located on the lower side and an anus on the upper side. They possess numerous tiny tube-like appendages called tube feet, which aid in locomotion and capturing food. Examples: starfish, sea urchin, sea cucumber.